Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Noemi.
I am Yulia.
You are Julia.
On Matthew.
And Matthew. So for today's recipe, we will make something for Halloween. And what are you wearing for today? Costume? Your costume. What is your costume?
Anna.
Anna. And your costume is a
Cowboy.
So here are the ingredients that we need for our cupcake. We need flour, sugar, milk. Julia, what is this? Egg,
coffee,
cocoa powder. We need
oil,
vegetable oil. We need I have here vanilla powder, or you can also use 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, salt. And for the decorations, we need also a cream, some decoration, scary decoration for our cupcake. We need a marshmallow and some gumies. Then we need also food color, and I have here also melted chocolate. So let's start to make a cupcake.
What else is this?
Yeah, we need to first make for the cupcake. So can you put the flour on it? All the flour. And Julia, the cocoa powder you can put here. All also. Oh. Matthew, sugar. All. And the baking soda, Matty, you can put, and baking powder you can put, all. Salt also, Matty, and vanilla. All. Yeah, wait. Wait.
Hey, warum willst du nicht Busse?
Oh, very good. There's no click.
Good.
So all this, we will put this on the side. Mama, you can have this. You can have that one. Slowly mix it.
We have some.
So now, Matty can put the milk on it here. Julia? Yeah, you can.
This is the chocolate milk.
And now, Julia, the oil. Oops.
What?
It's okay.
What else next? The egg or the coffee?
Egg. Matty will put the egg.
The coffee.
All.
With the
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
With the cow.
It's okay. You can put all.
Yeah.
Then, most Mama will mix it a little so the egg will be.
Das ist jetzt nasse Zucchi. Gut, schmeckt das eigentlich?
Well, what is the smell?
Good.
Smells good already.
Ja. Was darf ich ein bisschen?
No, you cannot try it yet. Julia, you can put you can pour in the coffee here.
Alles?
Yeah. Slowly, yeah. Ooh. And how it how is the smell now?
Good.
Smells chocolate.
Yeah.
Wait. Name? No.
Close. Close. What in the
Now I have also lipstick.
Oh, no, Benny, das letzte wird Was now?
Oops, I have no chocolate on my...
In dein Haare,
No.
in dein chocolate, in dein Leibes. It's time for baking. Ready? So we off the chocolate. Can I get one? Taste. Taste.
It's okay.
Good.
While I'm waiting for the cupcake, I will start to make the cream, and also I will while we are playing, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. I will put the cream. And here is now our cupcake for Halloween. Thank you guys for watching Queen of the Kitchen, and please
Subscribe.
Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and share and give us a thumbs like if you like this video. And
Bye. Mama. Bye.
I will eat the eye. Or you can look.
Gummies yolk. Wie schmeckt das?
Wie ein Gummibär.
Wie Gummibär. Darf ich guten wieder? Gummis. Wie ein Gummibär. Woher? Kaya to natin na buhat.
There is a blood inside the eye.
Sabi to. That's a berry. No.
Imberry. There's a raspberry inside the eye. And how is the cupcake?
Very good. Meme.
And so, happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.